Hello again, everyone. Here's another one of my videos that I'm putting together for you. We're going to talk about section 9.8, which is titled Factoring Polynomials Completely. Basically, I'm going to give you another way to factor some polynomials to add to your tool belt. Factoring completely, basically, I compare this to simplifying fractions and making sure that they're in simplest form. Factoring completely is when you write a polynomial as a product of unfactorable polynomials with integer coefficients. Unfactorable means you cannot do anything else to factor it. It is basically in simplest form like a fraction. You cannot divide the numerator and denominator by anything else that they have in common to simplify it anymore. So the method I'm going to teach you is called factoring a binomial. So here's our polynomial, 2x times x plus 4 minus 3 times x plus 4. Just like factoring a greatest common factor, we should always look for that first. In this case, the greatest common factor is actually a binomial. Both of these things share x plus 4. So we're going to factor out x plus 4. We're going to factor out this binomial. When I factor out the x plus 4, what's left from this first term is this 2x. What's left from this second term is minus 3. So this second binomial right here is what's remaining when I factor out the x plus 4. And then I need to just double check that these are factored completely. I cannot do anything else to x plus 4. I can't do anything else to 2x minus 3. So here is my factored form. In this expression, I notice that they also share a binomial, y minus 4 this time. So I'm going to factor out y minus 4, which means I'm going to divide each term by y minus 4 and rewrite what's left. In this first term, 6y would be left. In this second term, negative 7 would be left. And then again, I have to double check and make sure, can I factor this anymore? No. Can I factor this anymore? No. So this is factored completely. There's my factored form. One more. B squared times b plus 5 minus 4 times b plus 5. The thing that jumps out to me is that they share this binomial b plus 5. So I'm going to factor out b plus 5. Then I'm going to write what's remaining. I have b squared minus 4 remaining. And again, double check to make sure everything is factored completely. B plus 5, I can't do anything else to. However, b squared minus 4 is one of those special products that we learned previously. I can factor b squared minus 4. So I'm going to just drop down this b plus 5 that I can't do anything with. B squared minus 4 can be factored into b plus 2, b minus 2. Now I look at each one of those factors, and I can no longer factor any of them any further. So here's my factored form, factored completely. Have a great day.